Welcome, today I am with SONY Xperia 5 Micro 3 and I'll show you how can we remove the glass from the display in this phone. That's very simple. You can start from one of the corners. For example, we are going to make it from this left upper corner. So you have to put your fingernail underneath glass. We are not going to use any additional accessories. So just use your fingernail, put it right here under the glass. And take a look, right now we can lift this glass. Do it gently. Grab it then right here. And then just lift this glass. And there it is. As you can see, we easily remove glass from the display in this phone. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.